Fernando, welcome to Pampanga. For today's video, welcome po sa Casa de Coracion located sa may San Fernando, Pampanga. Notice guys, this is like a hidden paradise dito po sa may Pampanga, and if you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po ako. Let's go! So, ayun guys, actually this is our second day. Yesterday was our arrival. And pagdating namin dito, we were actually surprised. Close to the nature, if you notice, meron pa tayong mga huni ng ibon dito. Dahil nga may aviary dito. And at the same time guys, notice yung patak ng tubig dito. Dahil yan dun sa parang pinaka-falls naman dito sa pool. Speaking of pool area, now the pool area size natin is from medium to large. Malaki siya actually. And then it has like 3 sections. The first one is parang pinaka-lap pool dahil pahaba siya. Meron din tayong bubble jet jacuzzi. And at the same time, meron tayong parang for kids, no? They can actually dip. Mababaw lang yon. For sure, they will enjoy it. What I like about the place is, again, ang daming halaman dito, which makes you feel really close to the nature. Dito guys, nagkaroon na sila ng garden wedding. At dahil doon guys, this place is actually fit for your private events. I think for me, no, the place can accommodate up until 200 person, the entire place. Yung place natin guys has several common areas in which you can hold mga iba-ibang events nga. So meron tayong roofed section in which it can accommodate up until 50 siguro, no? Place which is dito sa likod ko, it's fit for kiddie party, mga ganyan, ng mga 20 to 30 person. Pinaka nagustuhan ko dito, it's really close to the nature feels. Also guys, during the evening, solid, napakaganda ng lugar din ito. It's very romantic, a different atmosphere kapag nakasindi na yung mga ambient lights dito. If you're thinking of mga events that would need that kind of, you know, ambience or environment, you gotta check out Casa de Coracion. For sure, pagpipiliin nyo po talaga siya. And guys, so our breakfast is courtesy of Salangi All Day Breakfast Cafe. So as early as 8 a.m. You can order your breakfast. Just an option guys. If you didn't bring any food for breakfast, yan, pwede po silang orderan. As well as, actually the place, yung Salangi Cafe, is perfect for chill meetings, mga ganyan. Actually, pagdating namin dito kahapon, we had some refreshment, coffee and aid, mga ganyan, no? So, you can actually chill. Not necessarily need to book yung stay nyo dito sa Casa de Coracion. Just go there, have some coffee, have some sip, and if you want mga dishes, mga all-day breakfast dishes, available po sila sa Salangi Cafe. Hey, what's up? So at the back area guys, nandito yung dalawang rooms natin. That's the first one, and then there's the second one, and then again in here, you can enjoy mga duyan by the nature. Kagandahan dito guys, no, ang sarap maka-experience or feel ng mga matataas na puno. So, let's talk about the accommodation naman, o yung mga sleeping section. So, dito guys, they have like 3 rooms that you can actually choose from. So natulog kami dun sa may pinakamalapit sa office area or dito sa dining na to. Still have 2 other rooms, and kagandahan dito, if you're a small family, you can actually choose. For example, kailangan nyo lang ng isang room, yun lang ang i-rent ninyo. If you need to extend another room and then another room, so pili lamang po kayo if you need 1 room, 2 rooms, or 3 rooms. Pwedeng po yan for negotiation. Let me talk about the rates. Actually, sa Casa de Coracion, you actually have multiple options if you wanna rent yung lugar na to, yung exclusive private resort na to. For day swim, it's just 8,000 pesos. For night swim, it's just 8,000 pesos. You're gonna rent the entire place, no? So pili po kayo if you want day swim or night swim. Yung day swim natin starts at 8 p.m. up until 5 p.m. Yung night swim naman natin is 2 p.m. and ends at 9 p.m. Now, for the overnight packages, again, you have choices. Yung sabi ko kanina, if you want to book one of any of the rooms, pwede nyo po silang i-rent. The overnight starts at 13,950. That is good for 11 to 13 persons. The highest capacity naman natin is at 23 to 25 packs. Rate naman natin dyan is 18,250 pesos only. Alright, so there you have it, guys. If you're interested to know more about Casa de Coracion, please check out the fan page we're gonna be including in the caption below. Also, please check Staycations.ph for more staycations such as this. And also, please follow and like Where in Pampanga for more discoveries dito po sa Pampanga. Thank you so much for watching Where in Pampanga. Till our next discovery. Peace out. Bye, guys.